You're so fat, I can't flip. Anything to get Rebecca wet. There you go, Miley. Put some arm in. What you doing down there?
Chris, grab my thing, just blow it over in the middle. There's jellyfish down here. No, there's no there, is it? Why are you not even? There's no jellyfish! Danny, come here! I gotta go to your boat.
My boat.
This ain't working for me. Come here!
She's failing. Look what you did! Look what you did! You're off now!